Hi students, in this video I want to continue the problems on developments of solids. So let us consider a problem. A regular pentagonal prism of height 60 mm and base height 30 mm rests with its base on HP. The vertical face closest to VP is 30 degree to it. Draw the development of the truncated prism with its truncated surface is inclined at 60 degree to its axis and bisecting it. So let us construct the pentagon first. So I'm going to go for pentagon 30 at an angle of 0, 30 at an angle of 72, 30 at an angle of 144, 30 at an angle of 216, 30 angle of 288. So I want to specify the XY line. So this has to be rotated such a way that the vertical face is closest to VP and it is 30 degree to it. So I'll go for rotate option. Select this vertical face and go for position angle as 30. So I want to incline to 30. So it has to be closest. So I'll go for rotating that. So go for rotate this for 30 degrees. So it will be rotated for 30 degrees. Place that and show the angle of 30 degrees. So now go for the naming. So I got name from the left hand side. So A in bracket A1. So this B in bracket B1. C in bracket C1, D in bracket D1, E in bracket E1. So I want to get the center point. So this I will name as O in bracket O1. So I want to project now. So I want to project A onto the XY line, B onto the XY line, C, D and E point. So I want to project over here. I want to project that onto the XY line, that is the axis line. So axis is having height of 60. So 60 at an angle of 90. I'm going to increase this 60 at 90. Again from here 60 at an angle of 90. So from here again 60 at an angle of 90. From this point 60 at 90. And this also I'm going to take as 60 at 90. So join that. Simply bottom also you can join that. Now this is your axis line. So I want to make that as axis line. I will go for naming. So this will be A1 dash and this will be B1 dash, C1 dash, this will be D1 dash and this will be E1 dash. So A dash, B dash, C dash and this will be D dash, E dash, and this point I want to name as O1 dash and this is O dash. So once we have done this, so I have to go for the cutting plane. So here they given that the truncated surface is inclined at 60 degree with its axis. So I go for the center point. So I go for the angle of 60 with respect to this. So I'll go for 30 degrees so that it becomes 60 degree with the axis. Similarly, I'll go for here 30 So when you're going to rotate this, the angle between the axis and the truncated will be of 60 degrees. So it will be bisecting the axis at the center. So now the remaining portion I have to show as the development. So when I go for this part, similarly when I go for this, part, similarly this part and this part. So all these parts I have to show as remaining portion of the solid. So now how are you going to develop this one? So first you draw a horizontal line. So I want to project the horizontal line. So I want to take this particular point. So each side I want to specify. So they are given as 30. So 30. Again I will go for 30. Again 30. 30 and 30. All the 5 sides, and you have to take the height equal to the given. So I will go for that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I want to go for the naming. So this will be A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash. Again it will be A1 dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and A dash. So now from this you can see that none of the sides has been cut, so only the lateral surfaces has been cut. So I want it will be easy to draw. So I'll go for naming that. So A1 and A has been cut at a point as 1, B and B1 is cut at a point 2, C and C1 has been cut at a point 3, D and D1 has been cut at a point 4, E and E1 is cut at a point 5. So I'll go to project. So A1 is cut at 1 on both the side, 2 I'm going to take. So 2, that is B1 is cut at position 2, C it has been cut at position 3, D1 is cut at position 4. When I go for E, it has cut at a position 5. Again 1 has been drawn already. So now these are the points I'm going to get. So name that. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again it will be 1. So I'm going to join that. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again to A dash, and I'm going to join. Now I'm going to select all the lines. And I'm going to give a thickness as 0.5 mm. And this is how the development of the given problem will look like, and the development of the truncated prism.